Morning guys, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas day 16. You guys, we're doing so well. Clap for yourself, clap for me, and comment down below if you've been keeping up with all the Vlogmases, because I really want to give a shout out to somebody. I don't know if I told you, but I broke my phone on Saturday when we were at the party with my family for my niece, so I'm going to town to fix it right now. I have also a gift away that I was awarded for magnetic eyelashes. I'm excited to see them, so that's another thing. Also probably buy a charger, a cable, and yeah, let's see where the day goes. I hope you guys have started the week on an amazing note. It's sunny, it's bright, I'm excited, so yeah guys, let's go. Why do we fall on the same demise together? Yours got fixed and then now a few days later it's me. So guys, I have fixed the phone. So yeah, I fixed the phone. This phone has a very funny blue undertone as compared to the yellow undertone that is usually there, but it's better than nothing. So yeah.
Yeah.
No, thank you. So guys, we are at Barclays Bank and we are converting some of our coins into notes, and yeah, it's quite a job. They've given us coin bags, so these coin bags are meant to put them in separate whatever, no missing coins, and then yeah, pretty much. I'm back at home, and I got home like a while back. Actually guys, if you watched my last video, like, I've done my hair, so it's still in bantu knots, and unfortunately I look like an egg. I look like a small egg. Oh my gosh, it's hilarious. So I went to town and I fixed my phone. You guys saw that footage. I got some cake. Oh, I have missed a Pulse Cookie Man cake. Oh my gosh, throwback to those days when we were tiny and you tell your mom to bring you cake and then she would bring you Pulse Cookie Mans. Woo! Oh my gosh, this cake is huge, you guys. What? This cake is huge. Oh my gosh, do you know guys, the weirdest thing is, while I was walking in town, you see that bridge where you shuka for Globe, especially if you're from Thika Road. So I'm walking and walking, and then, you know, there are street kids on that road, and as I'm walking now, this street kid literally tries to grab my thigh. / butt cheek. As in, I don't know what, like I'm walking and then I just felt like he was trying to, and I even just looked at him and I was like, are you okay? Like, what are you trying? Like, and I just, honestly, I had a moment where I froze because I was like, it's a street child, for crying out loud. I had not worn in any way suggestive. Not that I'm saying if you wear suggestive, you have the right to be cropped. I literally just had my jeans and a top and like a blouse. And I was just like, this is really not normal. But anyway, unfortunately, it's the country we are in, it's the place we are in, it's the people that are, I don't even know who to blame. But it really got me thinking. Anyway, despite the sad story, so today, you guys, actually, let me tell you, I came home and I just slept. I was just so tired. I think I've been burying myself in a lot of things of late, so I'm kind of getting tired. However, we are not going to give up. We're going to keep doing vlogmas until we're done. We actually just like a few days and then I'm done. So yeah, anyway, I wanted to show you guys these eyelashes I got. I actually won a giveaway by Shelly, magnetic eyelashes. So what they said was, I don't know, apply the liner and then I stick them on the line. I guess the liner is what gives the lashes the magnetic capabilities. And I don't know, should we try that now? We can't try that now. I see how I'm gonna look. So yeah, let's do this. I have not watched any video whatsoever on how to do this. And the lashes I got are called Cozy. I've seen they have like a couple of them. There is Buddy, there is Classy, there is Cozy, there is, I don't know if it's Cutie, but I took Cozy cause they looked full, long and nice and not too much. So yeah, I want us to try them now. Yeah guys, if you guys can see, the lashes have like some ridges. I don't know if you guys can see those ridges, and I think those are the ridges where the magnet holds. Yeah, if you guys can see, there's some ridges and I think that's where the magnet holds. And I want us to try on one eye. So he said I just put the liner. So guys, I have put the liner. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, I don't know if I wait for it to dry, but if it dries, will it like stick? Okay, and then you guys, it's sticking. Guys, are you seeing? Okay, I don't know. Have I even placed it at the right spot? Wait. Let's do this one more time. I don't know. Something like that. I think. Is it obvious? But I feel like I'm not good at it yet. I feel like I need to put this closer to my eyelid. I have worn the eyelash. I don't know. Guy, I feel so weird. But it's actually pretty light. Like, I can't honestly. Okay, I can tell there's something. Let me not lie. I think I'm going to put them on another time. So that I can show you like when it's a fully new-fledged look. Otherwise, you guys, so far so good. I love them. I think the eyeliner makes them stick, because I've tried putting on this side and I was just like, Olly, really like what's gonna get them to stick. But the eyeliner, I think the eyeliner is like making the magnetic effect work, I guess. Otherwise, what? No eye. Yes, I. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day 16. I was pretty much just doing errands. I slept. I actually ate a very good ass meal. Anyway, thank you so much for staying tuned. Definitely check them out. I'll probably put, I'll put the link on the screen, and if you want to get yourself some magnetic eyelash, then please do. So I actually like this vibe. I think I just need to put them a bit better, but I like them. Okay, so bye guys, see you tomorrow.